Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to install Docker on Windows 11. So let's start. So first let's go to Google and write install Docker, and then let's go to the official page that says install Docker desktop on Windows. Just click here, and well, we have here the different windows that it's here. You can select the one that you prefer for your system, of course, and then just click here on what you prefer. For example, I prefer this one. Just click here and you will download on your computer. When you download, just install it and well, start using it. So that is how it works. You can install Docker's Docs. Here is the official page and it's very secure for you. So you can start downloading it. If you need more help, well, you have to read everything here. If you have any doubt, you can maybe find out here the answer. So that's how it works. Well, guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.